Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2. And your topic is describe a movie you watched recently that you felt disappointed about. Yes.
Lastly, I watched a movie which name was Animal, and I watched this movie almost 1 month ago. I watched this I watched this movie on the recommendation of one of my friends, and the reason behind why I didn't like this movie because this movie was about bloodshed, about violence, and in this movie was a clear depiction of stubborn behavior guy who was a hero of that movie, and this movie also encouraged inherited enmity. And the behavior of that person, the hero was very misogynist. He was a person who was very hatred and behavior against women, who was very prejudiced about the women. And but the reason behind most important reason I dislike this movie, because as we know, the screen time of youngsters and especially in parents is too much. We inspire whatever we see, and especially in these days we become inspired from heroes of movies. And this movie is all about violent behavior and stubbornness, and our youngsters will get negative effect from it.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Overall, it's good, but you need to practice these topics so that you become fluent. Number one. Number two, use some connecting phrases. Moreover, additionally, furthermore, and I would recommend you to watch a short video on YouTube about compound sentences. When you make compound sentences, you get better bench. Over your language is good, fluency, and practice of these topics will make you better, right? Thank you
Thanks.
so much. Okay, let's go on. The next topic is describe someone you know who often helps others. Yes, please.
We live in a world that have
Speak
different.
in the mic properly and speak loudly and actively.
We live in a world that have different types of people, have different nature and attitudes. I know about one of them. Her name is Mariam. Uh, she is in early age. Uh, she graduated in analytical chemistry and work with an industry. Uh, After her working hours, her mission is to help other people as possible. Uh,
Okay, carry on. All right. Your answer is incomplete. You spoke for 30 seconds only. Now, the main thing is lack of ideas. You are lacking ideas. In order to get ideas, you need to practice these topics. Then you will have more ideas. The first thing. Second, try to record 5 cue cards every day in your mobile device. Then listen to them and first prepare them. Preparation doesn't mean you write full answer. Preparation means you write down the points in 1 minute. When you see the cue card, you should have a timer with you, 1 minute timer, write down some points, and then start recording. And record yourself for 90 seconds. This will help you. You need a lot of practice, okay? Yeah, you'll be okay then. Now, let's go on. We've got the next topic, and the topic is describe an occasion when you lost your way.
I don't normally lost my way, but recently I am going my recently last week I was going with my mother in shopping mall, but shopping mall, but we have lost we lost we have lost our way, and we um, well,
Okay, this is again incomplete answer. You spoke for hardly 30 seconds and there are a lot of pauses. I advise you both not to sit together next time. Okay, sit with someone else. This is going to help you further, because you know you learn a lot from the person who is sitting next to you. So you should try to mix up with the other class fellow, and don't sit with one person, one class fellow every day. Just change your partner in the class. It's going to help you a lot. Okay. All right, let's move on. The next topic is describe a happy memory from your childhood, or describe a happy experience from your childhood.
Childhood is a time of wonder and enjoyment with moments of joy and happiness. And as we grow older, these memories stay with us, shaping who we are and keeps us reminding small and simple pleasures of life. One such memory that stands out is a family trip to Murray, where I lost myself, and I still laugh on it. And whenever I tell everyone about that incident, my brother was studying there in a cadet college, so we decided to go and see him. We packed our bags and loaded up our car, and left to see him. After a very tiring journey, we reached there and we had our meal and decided to roam around to see the beauty and to enjoy the weather. After some time, we decided all together to go to the Mall Road and visit Mall Road, and there I lost myself. There was a shop of toys, and being a child, I was inspired by seeing new toys and new dolls. So I kept on standing there, and my family kept on moving. After some time, my younger brother asked for something, and my father asked him to ask your sister too. And when they all looked around, I wasn't there. And my mother got worried, and she and everyone started looking for me. And when they came back, the police was there, and they were taking me to the police station, and there was a very long debate, and that was a very wonderful experience for me because
Okay, 1 minute 40 seconds. Overall, it's fantastic. You're speaking very fluently, comfortably, and you're speaking pleasantly. That's very good thing. Okay, try to use some connecting phrases as you talk. Connectivity of ideas, words like additionally, moreover, after that. These type of words will further improve your score. But overall, it's very good. Good job. Okay, let's go on. The next topic is describe an important decision you made.
Recently, I decided but change my house. I
Come on.
I consult with my elder sisters. She give me good ideas. I bought
Okay.
a new and big house. Uh,
Okay. Well, your problem is lack of ideas and a lot of hesitation. Try to overcome that. Again, I tell you, you have the book, right? All you need to do, you need to record 5 cue cards, and every day discuss 5 speaking part 1 topics. That will improve it further, okay? Remember, you have to speak for minimum 1 minute. If you speak for 20-30 seconds, they will give you very low band score for that. So just try to speak. I mean, whatever comes to your mind, speak according to the topic. That will help you, okay?